So my little brother and my dad were going to pick up an old truck at this farm, and I just got a call from my dad saying that they need some help. So I'm in the Jeep, just got my dad's fuel cell welded up, and we're gonna go see what they got themselves into. Well, this is our first recovery of the day. So they got the truck on the trailer before I got here, but apparently my uncle has his Jeep almost slid into the dike over here, so we're gonna have to go recover that.
Man, we might have to trim these limbs here.
Look at this.
Yeah, 'cause that one right in there. Holy shit!
This is a pretty serious recovery. This is bad.
You know, we just come out here to pick up a new trail rig and come out here and find this Jeep over here about ready to flip over into the ditch.
Unbelievable. I don't think Uncle Matt called us because he didn't want to be on YouTube.
I think so,
But
he's bumming.
yeah, he's gonna be on YouTube. That ain't looking good, Hayden. We have to pull it up there.
You know, cut this tree out. He can grab the bucket and slide out. We're gonna try and get him up this embankment here. Perfect. All right, got the backhoe going. Get a shackle from the. Yeah. Okay. Well, you got one hanging right here. Oh, look. Hey, look who just showed up. What's going on? What'd you do? What happened? What happened out here?
I don't know. I back it up, and once I start to slide down, there's no getting out of it.
Well, that's a true story we can tell from here.
Well, he's got some video going too.
Yeah, I think
I gotta catch this on video.
this is a pretty good job here.
One, yeah, like that. And then.
All right, well, we're winched to the back on the hitch, and we're strapped to the wheel on the front. I see nothing that can go wrong.
Look out for a second, Hayden.
That thing rips. That's sweet. I think he needs a little more height. Yeah, somewhat.
I'm gonna take the stretch it rope and hook it to the back of this other truck. And we're gonna hook it to the truck so that when the backhoe lifts up, we're gonna use both the backhoe swing cylinder and that truck to move it out. And that's gonna give us the power we need to slide this up the hill.
In theory.
Well,
Uncle Matt, you're very trusting.
I don't have a choice.
you can shut that off for now.
Okay, so we hooked onto the subframe. I'm hanging onto the back, and they're gonna try and pull him forward. Nice. Well, we got you out, Uncle Matt.
Thanks.
Running the backhoe.
I don't know what I would have done.
Yeah.
Would have been a new hunting line.
All right, so we got this old Ford, and we got my Uncle Matt recovered.
Yeah.
So
Now we just got to go figure out how this thing's coming off this trailer.
yeah, that should be another story, but
Because Zeph doesn't know it yet, but the back tires don't turn.
that's great. But you'll probably see this thing on the trail with us eventually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's a little rough to restore. Camera makes it look nice, but it's really not. So, thanks for watching Gage Boys Garage. This is probably a short video, but yeah, this is
a pretty good time today.
typical Sunday.